one super tip on how to get started in real estate investing?
You need the education. Just start learning the process and build a team around you. We've already covered why a buyer's agent is a great team member to have. Some parts of the country, including New York, you need an attorney. Your broker will be able to talk to you about attorneys, and then you need your lender. Again, your broker should have a good relationship with them and telling you all of the great rates that you would qualify. So build up your team, and once you get the knowledge and the team in place, good deals will fall your way.